Hello guys, and in today's video we are going to organize my workshop and your workshop. So let's start with the first project, that is a clamps organizer. I'm using 12mm OSB that I cut to equal size on the miter saw. I'm going to assemble two U-shape using my nail gun and two L-shape. I'm going to reinforce all the joint with screws. Now I'm going to assemble the L shapes on the side of the back panel, and using a spacer I nail in place the U shapes and reinforce all the joint with screws. Finally, I attach the French cleat with screws and I attach it to the wall. Now I'm going to build a simple cabinet with one drawer for my nail guns. As you can see, I cut all my part and I'm ready for the assembling. Of course, I use my nail gun for joining the sides together. And here I notice a mistake that I made when I cut the back panel. But it doesn't matter, I cut a strip of OSB and the problem is solved. I assembled the small drawer where I can store all the nails for the guns. I'm going to put a shelf and take a few measures for the front side of the drawer. And like magic, everything appears. I screw the French cleat on the back side and attach it to the wall. Now it's time for the tape organizer, and I start by cutting 2 strips of wood and tilt the blade to 30 degrees, and I cut the angle on the 2 strips. I cut 2 sides and a French cleat. I glued it to strip and attached the sides. The back panel, and finally the French cleat. For the last cabinet, I cut the sides and put it together with nails. I cut the back panel and attach it. For the cabinet door, I'm going to use plexiglass, and I'm marking where I'm going to place the hinges. I mark and drill the holes and attach the hinges. On the cabinet side, I pre-drill the holes with a self-centering bit and screw the hinges down. On the back, I attach the French cleat and put it on the wall. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to put a thumbs up, and don't forget also to subscribe. So I'll see you in the next one.